everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a balloon lamp using yarn. Glue up a balloon and I am securing it with a knot. You can also secure it with using a thread or ribbon. Take a cup and draw a circle in the lower part of the balloon using a marker or a sketch pen. Make a mixture of glue and water. Dunk the yarn into the glue water mixture, making it all wet. Then start wrapping the wet yarn around the balloon. There is no method here, just wrap it in every which way. This idea came to my mind when I saw this picture on an online shopping site. It's cost around 830 rupees. Then I think, why should I buy it when I can DIY it? Once you have covered up a good majority of the balloon, cut off the yarn and tuck the end under. Let it dry overnight. This is an important step. In the morning of the next day, the glue yarn balloon should be stiff and hard like this. Now cut the end and remove the air slowly from the balloon. Glue yarn balloon lamp is ready. Add any type of light on it and hang it. You might be thinking how my yarn color has been changed overnight. Actually, this is what happened. It wasn't dry properly. I have to wait for another day. I used another balloon to inflate it again into a perfect round. So if your yarn balloon is still damp, give it a second day. If it's completely dry, then you can pop the balloon. It looks way more beautiful than this video. This is very easy and simple method. You can try this in your home and it's very fun to make this balloon lamp. If you recreate this balloon lamp, you can send me pictures on my Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below and share it with your friends if possible. And please subscribe to my channel if you do not love the video. Subscribe. Bye bye.